Best investment app that you need on your phone. I'm going to break down everything step by step from international stocks to the local stock, and I'll explain every app, what they do and what they offer. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. The first app is IC Wealth. IC Wealth is a brokerage account, or is a brokerage platform that help Ghanaians to create and own shares in the Ghana stock. They also have a mutual fund, which is IC Mutual Fund, and they also feature the fixed deposit that you can invest in fixed deposit. Two is Achieve by Petra. Achieve app helps you to invest in mutual fund, treasure bill, and bonds. It's an app that you need to have on your phone, which assists you if you want to invest in long term or short term. Achieve app is available for you that you can check it out. Three is Blackar App. Blackar App is an app that feature in international stock and also in local investment, which are some of them are bonds, some are T-bills, TF and stuffs. So the Blackar app is also a licensed brokerage in Ghana that you can invest in, and also featured in some of the stocks in the Ghana market that you can check it out too and have it on your phone. Four, Plus App. Plus App also have a mutual fund, or the future in mutual fund that you can invest in the IC World Mutual Fund, Data Bank Mutual Fund, and then what? Treasure bills or Bank of Ghana treasure bills in their app. And they also feature the US stock, whereby you can invest in the US market and also hold stock in the US market. So the big companies in the US, you can invest in them through the Plus app and pay locally with your mobile wallet and stuff in Ghana here. The fifth one is Bamboo App. Bamboo is a Nigeria platform that feature a Nigeria stock and also feature the US stock on the app. So in case you are from Africa, any country where you are and you want to invest in the US stock, then the Bamboo app is available for you, that you can go to your App Store, Play Store, download it, and you have access to invest in the US stock to beat inflation in your country. And then also we have a Binance app where you can invest in some of the stock, especially the Forex stock and stuff. So these are some of the investment app that you can have on your phone that will help you to invest and hold your stock. Either you want to invest in long term or short term, this apps is available for you. If you want more or part two of this video, let me know in the comment section. I'll bring the part two for you. Kindly subscribe, like this video, and share to others. See you in the next video.